How do I find the reset button on my Whirlpool refrigerator?
Hello, everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to locate and use the reset button on your Whirlpool refrigerator. It's an important feature that can help solve various minor issues, from malfunctioning lights to temperature irregularities. So let's jump right in and find that reset button.
Does my Whirlpool refrigerator have a reset button?
Before we start, it's essential to understand that not all Whirlpool refrigerator models come with a physical reset button. For many models, a reset is often done by simply unplugging the refrigerator for a few minutes before plugging it back in. However, for certain models, you may be able to reset specific features such as the ice maker or the filter light.
Where is the reset button located?
If your refrigerator has a resettable feature, the reset button is typically located on the control panel. For the filter light, it's usually a button that is labeled Filter Reset or has an icon representing a water filter. After replacing the filter, press and hold this button for about 5 seconds until the light turns off. For the ice maker, the reset button is often inside the ice maker compartment. To reset it, you would typically need to remove the ice bin, locate the button, and hold it for a few seconds until you hear a beep or the status light blinks. Remember that the location and resetting procedure can vary by model, so always refer to your appliance's user manual for the most accurate information. And there we have it. That's how you can locate and use the reset feature on your Whirlpool refrigerator. Although it may seem tricky, it's a pretty straightforward process once you know where to look. Remember, if you can't find a physical reset button, the easiest way to reset your entire refrigerator is by unplugging it, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. We hope you found this video helpful, and your refrigerator is back to working perfectly in no time. Happy troubleshooting!